if someone goes on Instagram and takes a picture of the salad that you created for them and tells people how fresh and delicious it was, and you just ignore it, you deserve the hit in business that it's going to take. Matter of fact, you probably deserve to go out of business if you continue to do that. No one who's been married, I'm married 20 years this month, right? My lovely wife, she never would have married me, and I wouldn't have married her if every time I told her, hey, Tracy, you are looking good today. If she hadn't returned or thanked me for the compliment or returned the compliment, we would not have 3 kids today. I promise you that. I would have next, or did you not hear what I said to you? So people need to start treating their business the same way they treat themselves in a relationship, because you are in a relationship. You're in a relationship with everybody that comes through that door. And some relationships are good relationships, some relationships are bad, and some are abusive, and you need to get out of those abusive relationships.